So we are on our way to make a cook by Man Pa, and Bat is gonna come meet us there. So I will show you all what he decides to cook. Kels. What is that?
A kachori. It tastes good. It just misses back.
We bought that in St. Helena. We are nearly by Man Pa's house. And Bat's probably mad because he waited a whole hour. Go bong siya. Ay.
Well, today, huh?
Kasi. Bat's gas truck is there. Look, Brownie. So wait. So Bat and Pa eating. Pa, what is this?
Okay.
What is this?
Tongs.
Okay.
ของสั่นบาชิคนละเรียกว่าของ
When the flood day, and the cars and them stuff sometime and they want to see it. Mama, how did you guys?
So Bat, what are we gonna cook today? Or what are you gonna cook?
cream style potato and fried chicken
Nice. So we chilling with Ma today. Man Pa. So Bat, what are you doing?
so we're gonna fry some wings right now.
Wait, hold up. I just noticed you advertised it for Ramgo.
Girls start to say yes. This is shoot how I know what it. So we're just gonna put some seasoning in this chicken.
Yeah? I come in. That looking good. So what else is season the chicken with?
Right, I just seasoned some ginger powder, garlic powder, mustard, a bit of soy sauce and salt and black pepper.
Okay.
And basically that is it.
And you're
Right?
just gonna let it marinate.
Yes. If you have some time, you can put some time in it. Not the watch time.
Have you opened the can with it?
You'll be very skills.
What we making here?
Cream style potato. And some people will say cream style aloo.
And this.
That is left side chicken wing.
Why left side?
Because this is the right side salad.
In the car?
No, but
He just follow him.
yeah, walk and walk.
Pa, what you eating?
And tell him throw it away.
What you eating? Corn?
The corner have nothing, the ask.
Pa, what you used to have here?
Huh?
What was in there?
Fish.
Fish.
Pa used to have fish and export it, and all this was what was used to hold the fish. All these were fish tanks.
All, everyone.
And what type of fish?
And all kind of fish.
Pa, what type of fish?
Angel. Oscars.
And the
Hillary.
Tata
Theta.
and the Susie.
Acostomus. Ineas. And red cap. A gold angel. Veil tail angels.
Well, the angel used to be on that stand in glass. And glass
Oh.
aquarium.
Okay,
That's where they built this stand before.
okay.
That's what the angel does.
Ma, where you got that tattoo?
This?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where my mother-in-law make me take it from.
Oh, so when you got married,
Yeah.
your in-laws made you take the
Yeah,
tattoo?
make me do it.
Okay.
I just wish I could get out everything. So you can't get it out again.
Pa, what all of his hearing?
Nice, and this was nice. This one good, and I take this one.
Pa, oil down here and drink.
Eh?
He grease down here. Pa, what do you have to tell your grandchildren and your great grand?
All what I could tell them. Hello.
Oh, God.
Remember Pixie watch film?
You can't tell them hello. You have to say something about them.
You have to say hi to them, Pa, and tell them
Yeah.
what you want them to know.
To grow and get big. Oh, God. You going back with the watch?
You want them to set-
It needs to be set.
Where's the time behind you?
I don't have my watch or
You can
phone.
have the time right it.
Oh, it's minutes to 3.
Pa, so when you have the fish, what you did with it?
Eh?
The fish, where you exported it to?
Miami.
Miami, Florida, then to Holland, shipped to Paris,
And New York.
shipped to New York.
That's all.
Okay.
Shipped to Fort Lauderdale.
Okay.
Fish, that was a hard work. No me.
But it make money.
Oh,
It
yeah,
make the
when
money.
it's in that US.
Yeah.
But when you have to pack that fish, it says bone is the hook, man.
Oh, you used to help pack the fish.
Yeah, well, I alone used to have to pack. He's smart. When we had to pack fish, he said, you say I pack the fish, I will pack faster than me. We go in the farm.
And the chicken farm.
Yeah, because I had to go in chicken farm and I'm so glad to go when I come back. And when I come back, he even packed 10 bucks.
So all you had the fish here and the chicken farm next door.
No, down the road.
Down the road, okay.
You take a drink of wine.
You don't give them.
Yeah. It have the,
It's a wine. When you
made of fish made.
you know, anything you want to drink.
You have wine in the fridge.
Rishmi, Pa want to know if you want wine.
You want?
I don't want, I drive in.
Fish made in the fridge.
Yeah, when they finish cook.
You must be out.
Yeah, we wake late last night.
Oh,
What Pazzi?
I was asking him about the fish, but he's studying wine.
Oh.
you say have wine downstairs, I don't know.
Napa, we
Yeah,
good.
right,
We
yeah.
want a wine.
Want
Nah, we
wine?
good.
You have your,
It has
No, I
shandy,
drink it.
it has the drugs, it has upstairs.
Okay, I have a ginseng.
Eh?
I got a ginseng.
And it have a mortar.
So all these things had to be put up on tables because hair floods out easily. It's close to the Caroni River, so once the Caroni River floods out, all hair would have water. All these lands here are family lands. All of this, all these were fish ponds. Most of the ducks and chicken died in the floods. Recently there were 3 floods. New Year's was the last one. So we only remained with 3 ducks, some chickens, and 1 goose. More fish ponds. So Pa stopped the business when he got older. And all to the back here, stretching for a few acres, more lands, family lands in St. Helena, Madras Road. This is some water that still remained when it was flooded. Plum tree, dasheen bush down there. So that is Madras Road outside the house. These are some buttercup flowers that Pa has, and then anytime Pa has bandania, he will plant the roots here. So all of this are bandania plants. You'll see them, nice big ones. This tulsi tree, some people eat the leaves because they say it's medicinal. Hindus use this tree for, the leaves, sorry, for prayers. Brownie, where you come from? This is Brownie. Brownie!
So the wings frying. I made a nice special sauce here. But we have to name this sauce. We want to name it.
Yeah?
Cora. Cora special.
You call it Jumanji sauce.
Okay, so Bat renamed my sauce
Jumanji.
the Jumanji sauce.
Let's
So, if you want the recipe for the Jumanji sauce, then leave your comments below. I'll share it soon.
You fry chicken.
Yeah.
And why all you eat?
We're gonna eat just now.
You make the sauce.
I make the sauce and Bat make the chicken. Yeah.
The sauce tastes good. And the chicken tastes good too.
Yeah, he does make a nice fried chicken.
Kevin, this is diamond ring Louis.
He said that ring better than Rishmi ring.
Yeah, he said his ring better than mine.
Diamond bigger, and then fine one.
Let me see how he looking.
Yeah.